This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the number works and can receive SMS. This matters because Discord uses verification codes. Once done, open Discord and go straight to User Settings My Account. Make sure you know your current password. You will re-authenticate. If the app is outdated, update it now. Updates fix verification bugs. Then tap Edit next to Phone and choose Change Phone. You're about to replace the number, so pause and keep your phone unlocked to accept the incoming code. Now enter the new phone number with the correct country code. Discord rejects malformed numbers. After entering, request the verification code and watch your messages. You must paste the exact code into the Discord prompt. Do not add spaces. If you don't get SMS in a minute, choose Call Me for an automated code. Calls often bypass carrier SMS delays. Once verified, Discord links the new number. Make sure to update two-factor assumptions because phone changes affect 2FA recovery. Finish by confirming the change in account and checking trusted devices and 2FA settings. Remove the old number if it remains. If verification still fails, use backup codes or request support from Discord with a clear description of the error and timestamps. Also try practical fixes. Clear Discord cache, sign out and back in, reinstall the app, or use the desktop browser, which often bypasses mobile carrier quirks. If you see an error code, note it. Support will ask for that detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.